is your ally? Well, I was born in it, molded by it. I didn't see the light of day until I was a young man, and then there was nothing to me but bright.
Hey everybody, it's Logan from Lamination Studios to bring you a preview to our video review of Mad Max Fury Road. Just came out in theaters yesterday. I haven't seen it yet personally. I haven't seen any of the Mad Max movies, so actually this weekend I'm gonna do a Mad Max marathon. Mad Max marathon! Maxathon? I don't know. Sounds like fun, but I'm so excited to see this movie. It looks really good. Tom Hardy is Mad Max now. You know, he was the great guy from Inception. You know, Bane from Dark Knight Rises. How awesome is that? And now he's Mad Max. Get ready to bring me the corn dogs!
The corn dogs are your ally.
Shut up, Bane.
Aw.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. The link's below. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Facebook. Everything's in the descriptions below. So be sure to check it out. Catch our review. Take it easy. See ya.
Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!
Porcupines.